Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the mechanism. Remove the screws holding the escutcheon or trim and lift the cover off so you can see the cylinder and bolt. While you do this, make sure the door is propped open and steady. Once done, debris is easier to remove and parts won't shift. Keep a cloth under the work area to catch small springs or screws, and line up your small tools so you can move immediately into cleaning and inspection without losing time. Next, clear the internal pathway. Blow compressed air or pick out grit with a needle and wipe away residue. Once the channel is clear, apply graphite or silicone spray into the keyway and onto the bolt linkage. Avoid oil, which attracts dirt. You should then insert and slowly turn the key while working the knob to distribute lubricant and reveal where it binds. As you do this, look for bent, corroded, or loose elements that will need tightening or replacing. Finish by realigning and securing. Tighten mounting screws, and if the bolt scrapes the jamb, reposition the strike plate so the latch enters smoothly. Replace any visibly worn cylinder, springs, or broken pins, and then reassemble the trim. Make sure to test the lock through about 10 full lock-unlock cycles to confirm consistent operation. If the mechanism still sticks despite cleaning and alignment, try a key extraction method or call a locksmith. Don't force parts, because that can break the cylinder and make repair harder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.